Good evening, guys. My name is Sophie Vivian, and this is my cousin. What is your name, Sky?
I am Skylar Brian Masiris, and this is my cousin Sophie.
Yeah, we're gonna fidget train today.
Look at this, my stuff.
My stuff. I have many fidgets.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's
you
go.
first. I'm gonna.
Okay.
I'm gonna first.
I'm gonna
No,
trade my
I'm gonna trade the. No, I'm first. I'm gonna trade this mango. Look, it's squishy. I put it there.
Okay.
What
Do
do
you
you
like
offer?
a glitter?
Add.
Add.
Yes. Accept. Accept.
Oh, bro.
I'm gonna take this. Go take that.
Ooh,
Pero, wag mo na to i-trade. Bawal mo na yun i-trade.
Okay. Okay, I will be trading this glitter dumpling.
I think that is... Oh, it's so cool. So, I'm gonna trade this for a mini dumpling. Ito ka. It's a bread. It's a taba. It's a taba squishy, guys. Then, you're gonna back up in another item.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna add butter.
Butter. It looks like a broken, guys. It has a tape on it. So, I'm gonna add some this because it is broken already.
Okay.
Accept.
Okay, give me that.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, for today, I'm gonna add my flashlight.
I think it's a paper one, but it's good by the way. So I'm gonna
99 nights flashlight.
I guess I don't want that.
Okay. What about this?
Oh, it's a nice toy.
Like it can stretch.
Go back. Ibalik mo si Daddy.
Okay.
She gonna fix it.
Okay, wait a moment, guys. It's gonna take long.
Post this on YouTube, okay?
Okay. We're gonna make our first video, right?
Yes.
We will gonna be viral.
I think. Look at the cheese. So good, right?
Shut up. Funny.
And I have this jellyfish.
I said shut up.
Look. Dude. This is really mine, guys. It's really mine. Okay?
I'm almost done.
We're using my tablet.
Okay, I'm done now.
Wait, let's go.
Yeah.
For this one, I'm gonna add this bird.
I want.
Nope, because this is old. So
Fine.
you gotta accept that.
What? Okay.
Nope. I want the Hello Kitty one.
Okay.
Bruh. Accept.
Give me that.
Okay, it's not a squishy, but it's this is a display for a room.
So
Just for kids.
okay, and I'm gonna trade my
I just
mango.
give here to her.
Okay, but I wanna trade mango. I don't like this anymore.
No, you cannot. Okay. Sorry. She gonna babalik niya daw.
Kaya nga.
So I'm gonna balik this too. Di ba ito yun? Ito yun yata.
Yeah.
Accept.
For those who know Tagalog, shout out.
Labas ka. Magpakita ka.
Okay, this is me. We're in my room.
In our Lola's room, by the way.
Yeah, I forgot. Okay, now let's set.
Accept.
Ta. Okay, give me that. I. I'll give this.
Now, if you wanted to trade that, I'm gonna trade something dumpling to you.
This is my favorite.
I don't know.
This is my
Sky. I think this is a taba, but I think it's a kind of fruit or a lip, orange lips.
like this. Ah,
No.
bruh.
I'm gonna trade it for it.
It's like this.
Now,
Okay,
accept.
Wait, I'm busy for a moment. Squishy.
Do you know I have
Let's-
this
Accept.
padding? I have padding.
Accept. Okay, look at this, guys.
For guys, wait lang.
What?
I have this. And I have this.
Yeah,
and
that's real.
that's our original.
Yeah, that's real. She's
Original.
lucky.
I'm lucky because
Yeah.
I buy it from the Gupan City.
And look at me. Look at me. Look.
Uy, Sky. No.
Okay.
Balik mo.
Fine. Oh, no. Look, I'm good. Bruh. Ready ka?
Okay na yan. Okay na. Huwag ka na madaldal.
Okay.
Now, I'm gonna trade this needle!
Wait, okay, I'm gonna trade my...
Pwede mo ibalik yan. Yung mga binigay ko sa'yo.
Pew. Burger.
Add.
Okay.
Guys, ibabalik ko muna. Pwede siyang ibigay ko sa kanya. Ibalik niya agad sa akin. Pwede naman ganun. This one.
Yeah.
Add. Because it is a needle.
Okay.
It's a real needle, guys. Joke lang. Fake lang to. At least ito needle. Add. I want this.
Lapit na magda-dark. Type mo. Okay.
Accept. Ay, accept.
Wow! I got the needle, guys. Thank you, sister.
But, ibabalik niya talaga sa akin yan. Babalik niya. She will give it back.
Guys, look at this. Look at this.
Because this is this is not a real fidget trading. We're just playing.
Okay, and let's just like this. So what? Look at this. Whee!
Don't do that, Sky. This is a needle.
Okay.
Now, I'm gonna trade this cheese!
Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna trade my...
Accept. I have many squishy, guys.
Yay!
You can see. I have many squishies. You can see it.
Okay.
Paa mo, Sky.
Okay, guys. So, my favorite squishes are needle and cheese and the
Uy, paa
strawberry
mo!
butter. That's... Wait,
Huwag
what's
ka
that?
magulo.
Okay, fine.
Oh.
Oopsie! Oopsie. Sorry, guys.
Sorry. Huwag ka nang magulo. Kasi
Okay.
paa mo.
Okay, let's fidget trade na.
Papakita ko na nga lang sa inyo mga squishy. Lagay ko na lang dito. Baka di ko din kasi makita. Sa'yo din, Sky. Lagay mo yung squishy mo dyan.
Okay.
Dyan.
Pakikita mo naman. Yeah, like that. Wow.
Now, I'm gonna trade this two better. I know. I forgot. I want to trade this down. See, it's the same topic. Now,
Nah. I want this strawberry for this cheese.
nope.
What about this?
Mamaya.